Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2024 Hot Wheels. Today we have a 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series, number 2 of 10 and number 43 of 250 on the year. This has a really cool design. Love the paintwork on this. One of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, 4x4s and trucks ready to work or race. Let's get this out of the package, see how cool it is. HKS is on the side. Ready, sit, rip pop, rip pop. It's a terrible open. That's okay with me. All four wheels roll very well. We got the sunlight on us right now. Hopefully that'll make it look better, not worse. All this cool design you're looking at, the tampos, that's all metal. No painted headlights or tail lights. Plastic bottom, 2 rivets. You're looking at the metal right now. Definitely a cool truck. And a smooth roller. I like that. Driving on the left, as it should be on a Ford. Does it rebound? Ooh, that's a nice metallic blue. That is beautiful metallic. Ooh. Oh, come on, man. Really? Oh. How about a drift? Look at that metallic, though. Let's see if we can get that in the sunlight. You'll see the nice metallic in there. Oh, I stopped it from falling on the ground. That's good. All right, let's check it out and see if it drifts. Ready? I can't go past this line, and I'm trying to land on that line. Oh! Yes! Oh no, oh no! It's got a good drift to it, though. It's on the line! Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that metallic in there. I hope you can see that. That is such a little glitter. I love it. On the line. Oh! Oh, it just to the tip. Oh. All right, well, I like this truck a lot. The Raptor might make it into my Timmy's 10 again favorites collection. But it's definitely making it into the toy collection. That was a nice striker pose right on the line. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Appreciate everybody that's watched this video, and especially those of you that have subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Until next time. T10 out! Nice!